Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today also I came with another topic. Today my topic is Samsung brand 6 kg front loader washing machine. It's totally actually not working. It is not working at all. That machine having issue. We have to check what is the exactly problem. It's showing error message DC. Now I'm going to repair this machine and we will go to the checking process. Now I already given power connection here. Also I am selecting here only direct spin cycle. Here drain and spin cycle here. And I will start the machine. This is the complaint actually. It's not locking, door not locking. Also here also having two locks, this one and this one. If it is the Samsung washing machine having DC, that is some models are occurring the showing DC error because of the error, unbalance. If it is machine goes unbalanced at the same time showing DC error, but this machine is no anything inside. You can see it's nothing inside, but machine shows without going step by step. It's not coming water or nothing. Within few seconds it's coming DC error message. Now I will do one thing. I will remove the door switch and also I will replace another one also. We will check first. After that if it is as same occurring, now we have to check this lock also. After that we can understand what is the exact problem. අඩි මේකේ මේ කැලේ කැඩිලානේ නතර මේ. Now dear friends, now I'm going to remove the door lock. First we have to remove the spring here. After that we can release the gasket. Also I will show you how to remove this one. One side we have to press here and like that, and it will come little bit here forward. After that press other one. It's very easy. Again I will show you. It's like that. Press this one here and take it forward and press this one. After that it will come like that. Now I will remove the door switch here. We will remove this one also. Now what I can do, I will replace another door switch and we will check again. Now dear friends, what I'm going to do, I'm fixing again door switch here. I will fix again and I'm keeping temporarily like that. Also I will give the power. I select already drain and spin. Again it's showing. Now I'm going to remove the front panel, top cover, and I will check this switch also. After that we can understand. We will remove the top cover here. After removing two screws, it will come here. Also now we can check this door switch actually. This one we have to check. And we can remove also here. While pressing this one, we can take it out door switch. Just like that. Now we can check this one. We will remove here. You can see dear friends, it is already here got oxidized. It's oxide actually. You can see here it is 2 lock only here, it is 2 connections. That's mean while we are checking like that, you can see it will come like that. After closing, power will go direct. Now we will check this one here, this connector and this one is power supplying or not. To check this one, we will check power supplying or not. That's mean we have to check these connections, this side, and we will check. Yes dear, it's not showing. You can see here. We will check other two. Also not showing. This is the problem actually. We will remove this one and we will check. We can remove also here. Friend, you can see this one, it's already internally damaged, already got damage. That's why it's showing continuously. You can see here it should come like that, but this one it's already broken here. This part you can see no any continuity. It is already broken because of the oxide. That's why it's showing continuously DC error. Now we will check direct. I will give the direct power here. Now friends, I given already direct power. Yes friend, now what I am going to do, I will fix this one as same before. Because I am not giving to connection, I will give direct connection. I am fixing like that. Because we cannot keep hole, it is very ugly because of that. Now I will fix here glue also. I am going to fix again. I given here direct current, direct power. I am fixing as same before here. And also we can fix like that. Now it's okay. Now again I'm going to remove the door switch here because I have to fix this part. Okay. Okay. Now I have to now it's okay. Now I'm going to fix here detergent drawer. Also I can fix top cover also now. Now again I will give the power connections, and also I will select as same before drain and spin, and also I will start. Here door lock already got lock. Also drain pump start work, drum also rotating. Now machine will run without any problem, dear friends. My job already completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.